Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're going to be talking about how to use Screenity to record this prototype. So I'm in Chrome now with the Figma prototype, and this is my Chrome extension up here. So I have the little icon. You can either select to use your tab, your desktop, or your camera. I generally just use my tab. When I'm working on desktop, it's going to be easier, to keep this whole screen full screen. But if you're on mobile, it makes sense to minimize that window a bit so you only have a smaller recording. There are a couple different settings you can use here. If you want to annotate or talk, you can do that as well. If you want to show the toolbar on hover, you can do that as well. I'm actually just going to start this recording. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the recording. I'm going to give myself 10 seconds to prepare, and I'm going to do a couple different things that is actually going to help with maximizing my screen. So I'm going to start the recording, and then I'm going to hit this and then hit that. I'm going to hide the UI, and then I'm going to go into my view and actually hide the bar up there. Okay, so we have it ready. There's a couple different settings here you can see. You can see that there is the camera setting. There is the ability to enable your microphone. You can even write on here if you'd like. What I'm more interested in is actually just capturing this. So it is capturing right now. You can also press the settings bar here, and then you can only show it on hover if you'd like. So right now it's going to go away. If I hover over here, it's going to pop up. So that's how it currently works. So if I press pause and press the check mark, it's going to start exporting it or bring me to a new tab to start the exporting process. If I click the X, it will discard the recording. So I'm going to discard the recording right now, and then I'm going to go back. So let's start it again. So once again, I'm going to hide that toolbar. So you have a 10-second counter, and then I'm going to actually start the prototype. And that's it. So I stopped it there, and this is the screen you come to when you finalize your recording. So you can select the export format. I'm always going to go with GIF most of the time, and you can start trimming the video. So we can remove part of the video if we want. We can trim it. I'm just going to trim it right at the end where there is a little action. Right here, I'm going to trim it, and then I'm going to remove a little bit of the beginning. We can do that in a couple ways. We can remove part of the video, or we can just have a new start time. So we can start it like right here. So there we go. That's our video. Let's see how it works. That looks really good. Perfect. And I'm going to click download. So then you can either save to a drive or download directly to your desktop. It's going to take almost a minute to actually download. I'm going to save this one as Capture 2. And there we go. It's already saved. Now let's go back into Figma, and we're going to see if it actually works.